Hi everyone, welcome to Embellishments on the 11th, where we make any kind of embellishment we want and we post it at noon on the 11th of each month. I did not have a lot of time nor mojo to do much this month, but I did something. And I am in a swap which I'm bordering on being late with, so I'm trying to get that done, and I needed some things for that, so that's what I made. And let me just show you what it is. Now, this is not everything that person will be getting. We're swapping both a pocket letter and a loaded brown paper bag, St. Patrick's Day theme. So these are just a couple things that'll be tucked in various spots. So here's what I did. I made a bunch of little envelopes. These use the Stampin' Up! Call Me Clover cardstock, which, by the way, if you want any of that, Call Me Clover, it's the perfect color for St. Patrick's Day, and it will be ending as an in color in at the end of May in 2020, so you may not be able to get it again unless it goes in the clearance rack or something. So I would suggest getting it soon if you would like it. I used that ink, same color, to stamp this May the Luck of the Irish go double for you. And that is a stamp set, hang on, called, it's in the annual catalog, it's A Wish for Everything. It has Happy St. Patrick's and Day, but it also has dies, which I haven't cut out yet, but I'll be using them for some of the other rest of the project, which is Happy St. Patrick's Day. So, but it's also got Halloween, Valentine's. It's a great set. Mother's Day, Father's Day, Merry, Christmas, Valentine's, New Year's. You know, it's just about every occasion. These are called Word Wishes dies, and they are part of a bundle in the annual catalog that is A Wish for Everything. It's a 2-part stamp set. So I used that, or I will be using that, and then I used my 123 punch board to make all these little envelopes and some bows. Other than that cardstock, I did use paper out of this Paper Studio 4 Seasons that I've had for a long time. It actually says 2010 on here, but I know I didn't get it then because I've only been paper crafting since 2017, which is my guess of when I bought that. So I did use a couple sheets of paper out of there, which I thought I had some laying loose here, but I guess not. And then most everything else I used was from, oh, these were done on the mini envelope punch board. I'm sorry, the bows were done on the 123. The rest I used some Jolie's Boutiques. And then these all came from Hobby Lobby. These are almost all. I don't even know what they're called. St. Patty's Day words. But you can see they're almost all. And these gemstones, and then these clover foiled stickers. These also are Hobby Lobby 2016. I've had them in my stash. So this one, I haven't, on these two, I haven't put a closure on because I'm going to use Velcro on them. These are definitely going to get filled, and I decorated both sides. I used washi tape. This is out of a Recollections holiday set. I used the deco foil tape on some that I've been trying to use up, and I used this ribbon, Happy St. Patty's Day, on this one. Just cut it and put an extra bling on it, and I think those are the only ones I used. And I used the 1 3/8 and 1 1/8 inch scallop circle punch from Stampin' Up! For some of these as well. Oh no, I did use this one. I don't know what brand this is because it's not labeled and I don't know. So that's the lighter green, and the darker green is Recollections. Okay, and then these are just out of one of those the Jolie's pack, and I'm going to put little tiny Velcros on those two. Now the rest of them what I did is I made a little, I used a 3/4 inch circle punch. I don't think that's available anymore, but any little circle, 1/2 inch or something would do. And I just glued it halfway down and put a sticker on top, and that is the closure. There's nothing in these yet. They're going to have things, and some of them, I think these 3 I decorated the back, and let's see if I can get them in frame. And these 4 I did not, because I think they're going to be tucked in a pocket letter. I'm not sure yet. I may go back and decorate the other side, except for some, you know, the deco tape. This says Luck of the Irish. So just simple little envelopes. They're made to fit, let me think now, 2 by 3, so 2 inches by 3 inches. And yeah, so because I want them to be able to slide into, if not the front, the back of pocket letters. In fact, I may just I have 7. I might make 2 more. Go ahead and decorate the back and then put all the goodies inside these little envelopes. That's where I'm leaning. And then I just made some bows with the leftover paper. These were made on the 123 punch board. And these blings are out of these gemstones here. Again, Call Me Clover on this one. And just some of that paper for these other tops. So that's my project for this month. Not a whole lot. I'm kind of embarrassed by how little I've done compared to what other people I know will do and have done in the past months. But I'm happy to report that at least I'm getting my mojo back and starting to craft again, because I spent a few days this month, almost a week, not doing any crafting whatsoever. So yay, I'm coming back. It feels good too, and it's a good thing, because if I end up trapped at home because of this virus or something, I have crafting, right? Yay. Yay for us that we're crafters. Alright guys, take care of yourselves, be safe out there, and go please watch all the other wonderful crafters in this collaboration. We have some really talented people that amaze me with what they come up with, and I'm like taking notes on things I'd like to try someday. So yeah, please go check them out, and if I don't, well, I'm sure I'll talk to you before the 17th, but if not, and if you celebrate it, happy St. Patrick's Day, and good luck to you all. Bye for now.